As someone with kids, the best thing ever is a car trash can that also holds tissues or napkins. Let me show you why this thing is amazing. So this is what it looks like in my car, and it's really easy for my kids from their car seats to actually put trash in there. And then we, instead of putting like a tissue box, we literally just put napkins in there, and that's been great. I did buy a tissue box and it was like too big for this area, so just know it only takes like a specific type, but so easy to use. And then it clips on the center console. So I'm gonna go ahead and unclip it and we will put the trash into our trash can. So it just has like a really easy clip right here. And if you wanted to not clip it, I mean, you technically really don't need it clipped in there. So this has the side net pockets there as well, both sides. And then this heavy duty Velcro. And then you could put a bag inside, which would be really easy for taking out that trash. I personally don't, I just dump it about every week or so, but you can see this part can come out. You could get this cleaned out if you needed to as well. But this is such a game changer. It really does keep my car way cleaner. Cleaned out and ready to go back into the car.